Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things creative and fun. Today, we have a special treat for you funny wood crafts. Get ready to laugh and be inspired by these hilarious and unique creations. Let's dive right in. First up, we have this funny wooden sign. It's perfect for any game room or man cave. The pun is sure to get a chuckle out of your guests, and it adds a touch of humor to any space. Next, we have this quirky wooden spoon with a face carved into it. It's a great conversation starter during dinner parties, and it adds a playful touch to your kitchen utensils. Plus, it's functional too. Now, who doesn't love bacon? This wooden piggy bank is not only adorable, but it also serves as a reminder to save up for those delicious bacon treats. It's a great gift idea for bacon enthusiasts or anyone with a good sense of humor. Puzzle lovers, this one's for you. Check out this wooden puzzle in the shape of a funny face. It's challenging yet entertaining, and once you've solved it, you'll have a unique piece of art to display. It's a win-win. Crafters, rejoice! This wooden door hanger is perfect for letting others know that you're in the creative zone and need some uninterrupted time. It's a fun way to add a touch of personality to your crafting. space. We've all been there. Getting a little carried away with our crafting projects. This wooden sign is a humorous apology for any unintentional crafting-induced outbursts. Hang it up in your craft room or gift it to a fellow crafter who can relate. And there you have it, folks, a collection of creative and funny wood crafts that are sure to bring a smile to your face. Whether you're looking for a unique gift or want to add some humor to your own space, these crafts are bound to do the trick. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. Until next time, keep crafting and keep laughing.